Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change story background when sharing Instagram Reels. We love the feature that allows posts to be shared to Instagram stories. It's a great way to boost and endorse content you love without the worries of working it into your feed. It's also a great way to alert your followers when you have a new post in case that tricky algorithm decides not to show it to them. We're going to share some fun ways to design the background of your Instagram stories when you share a post. First, change the background color. This one is a classic that most people already know about. But in case you don't, here is step-by-step guide. Find the post you want to share to your story and click the share button. Then, find add post to your story. Now, Instagram will pick a default color from the post to use a background color. This is way too much of one color for us, so we're going to change it. Click on the three dots and tap Drawing Tool. Now, use the color selector to find the color for your background. Now, press and hold down anywhere on the background until the color fills the whole background. And that's it. Bonus tip, look for background inspiration on Pinterest. Create a board where you pin all of your favorite textures, color spaces, and collages to use a potential Instagram story backgrounds. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.